Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell in Trade Tiger. So let's go and do that. You will see here under at the bottom you will see quotes. So click on that, and right over here you can select what you want to buy, or if you want, then later I will show you where you go and select what you want to sell. Now let's go and buy something. Right here is the watch list. So if you top at the top corner, you will see some US, SG, HK, ETFs, crypto, and something more. Then if I click here on ETFs, you see that we have these popular ETFs right over here, Nvidia, Tesla Motors, and so on. Also, if we go here to US, you see what we have here: oil and gas, drilling, and so on. But let's go here and do something quick. Can we buy this? No. So cryptocurrency in demo account you can't buy because some of the law, so you can't play with that. But you have crypto also here. So let's go, and I will take Nvidia. Now at the bottom left corner you see this green button buy, so click on it, and right here you will select under the type limit order, market order, stop loss order, stop limit order. So market order, I will go with that. Then I will select here quantity, how much of this I want to buy. So I go with 5, and like that, just review by order and place order like so. Close. And now we have successfully bought this. Now you will ask how to sell. So at the bottom here, go to portfolio, click on that, and you will see here Nvidia that we just bought. So now if I want to sell that, I can click on it, and I have options now here: quotes, buy, sell. So I will click sell, and again I will select type market, and I will choose, let's say, 2, that I don't sell everything, like so, and just place sell order like that. Close. And if I go back here, you will see now that I have quantity of 3 tokens. So that means that I just sell 2 of them. And yeah, this is basically it. Here you see what I did. This is basically how to buy and sell in Trade Tiger or Tiger Brokers. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.